Morning. While Adam is taking the dogs for their toilet walk, I'm just changing the van from bed mode to day mode. There we go, all done. We've got quite a good system now. Ready? You've got pine needles all over you, Eli. Oh, you mucky pup. Oh, yeah. There you go. Good boy. Oh, did I not get them all? Oh, you're Richard.
What do you want?
Coffee, please.
Eli, do you want a blueberry?
Do you want one, Amber?
Do you want a Blueberry?
No. They're heavy, right? You've already had your breakfast, not have mine. You ready to go walkies? Yeah? We go walkies.
Are we ready?
Yep.
Come on then.
This way. So we're at Lin of Dee and we stayed here overnight.
And it cost us £6 and there's all this nature around us.
So we're going to walk this trail. It's the Glen Lou trail and there's a salmon ladder, waterfall, a viewpoint, lots of other things. Oh, I hope we get to see the eagles. Someone saw one about a week ago, so we might be lucky.
Hopefully we won't get lost on this walk. We're following these blue arrow signs and it should be a loop that we're doing.
I think this is a better example of an ancient forest. So that mound would have either been a rock or a tree trunk. Oh, here you go. So yeah, that rock's being covered with moss and grass and all sorts. And then over time, I expect these ones will be as well. You can see it starting. So that will become a mound one day. It's very far away at the moment, but there's an eagle. It's like up, so you won't be able to see it, but tiny black dot. I hope it comes this way.
Lin of Dee was a favourite picnic spot of Queen Victoria, and we can definitely see why. The walk that we're doing follows the River Dee and meanders through the regenerating Caledonian pine forests.
We spotted these baby pine trees growing on the riverbank, We're assuming that they have self-seeded from pine cones floating down the river and washing up here when the water level was higher. Oh wow, look how blue and clear it is. Oh, that's impressive.
If you come to Lin of Dee and stay overnight, this walk is definitely worth it. The landscape is just amazing, and the river that's running through it is just so clear.
Are you going to go swimming then if we can find a calm bit?
Yeah, if I can find the right place and have to go back to the fan and get my shorts and a towel, I'll give it a try.
I conveniently forgot my swimming costume.
Conveniently?
No, this is actually tempting me how nice that looks. I might have been tempted to have given it a go. Oh well, next time. Because yeah, I'm not going skinny dipping. My brother told us to come here. He was definitely right. Thank you, Paul. Having a piece of our tablet that we got from Braemar. Just heading back to the van because Adam is going to get his swimming stuff and see if he can get in and go for a swim. He's going in as long as he can get down there. Well, he got down. I'm not sure which bit's harder.
It was a lot harder to get out than it was getting in. That rock was like a slide and I slid in.
Which is why I didn't manage to catch it on film, because he went in a lot quicker than I was expecting. How was it?
It was nice. It's a bit cold but refreshing.
Was it worth it then?
Yeah, just a bit risky down at the bottom because the rocks are slimy from the algae. I think cold water swimming is a lot nicer in especially places like this, but rivers compared to the sea. I have swum in the sea, but this was a lot more enjoyable than that.
Good. Now he's got to make his way back up.
Remember how I got down here?
Didn't you go up behind you? Behind you. This is when he falls in fully clothed. Come in, Eli. We're leaving Lin of Dee now, and we're just heading to our next overnight spot. Not sure exactly where we're going to go. It's either going to be Garten if we make it all the way there, but that's 2 hours away. But we should get there, well, it'll be about 9 o'clock, and hopefully it'll still be light. So just so makes it easier parking and everything.
Continue for 1.5 miles.
If not, it will be Tormitol, I think it was called, a dark sky place, and there's also a bird hive there. But then we do want to go to Garten tomorrow, so we'll see where we end up. Shame I didn't get that one, Cal. We're going to leave the video here, and we'll show you where we end up in the next one. Thanks for watching this to the end, it really does mean a lot. We hope that meant you enjoyed it, so please do give this video a like if you did, and leave us a comment too if you can. Don't forget to subscribe to carry on watching our road trip. It's free to do so and really helps our channel. Thanks again for watching, we'll see you in the next one. Bye!